Hello everyone, Zach here, Dr. Apex. I know what you're thinking. That last video was over a week and a half ago, almost 2 weeks ago. You thought I was gone. I wasn't. I was getting everything I needed to finally give us the ultimate water cooling build. Beside me, I have the Thermaltake Core x71 from obviously Thermaltake. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it, and this will be the beginning of our 3-part series as we go into water cooling my entire PC. Alrighty, so as we can tell, current trends, tempered glass. Why would anyone buy a PC nowadays and not enjoy the sexiness that is the side of their case? So let's go ahead and take these thumb screws off. Wow, they're very tight. Let me grab my flathead. Alright, so we're gonna take this side panel off. Am I missing something? Nope. Could have been bad. Well, the side panel was a little interesting to take off, but that's fine, that's fine. So, let's go ahead and come on up in here. So, you have a CD drive cages, you know, like no one uses anymore. You've got 3 hard disk drive bays, that's nice. You actually have a vertical GPU mount, which is kind of cool that they included. I wonder, we have a whole box of goodies right here. Let's open this up and see what we got. Come on, open up, open up. There we go. What we got here? Got a bracket, multiple brackets. I don't honestly know what some of these are. That's interesting. Wow, it even came with a extender for 6-pin PSU power. Let's go ahead and open it, see what we're working with. See what this is. Looks like a reinforcement bracket of some kind. We've got 3 of those. I guess this is the moment where I should consult the manual, but whoever reads the manual. We've got the motherboard standoffs already in the case, some of the motherboard screws. Yeah, it's your typical stuff that comes with. And is this a Molex extender? Cool, it has a little fan extender. Only one, that's fine. I bought 2 for this build. But yeah, let's open the basement and let's see what's going on in the basement. Or should I say, let's see what the junk in the trunk is. Nice. Just in case the camera works a little shaky, everyone, please tell my younger brother, Cyrus, hello. He's currently helping me. I am sorry that the quality of the videos isn't, you know, 4K or some shit yet because, well, I don't have a nice enough camera. I could use my cell phone, but in order to keep using that over and over, I'd have to keep charging it. And I don't have the ability to do that yet. Let's check this out. Ooh, that's nice. So immediately, we already have a magnetic dust filter in the basement compartment right here. Has room for a 360 radiator already set out for you to put in. That's very nice. That's actually why I bought this case. Was just for the radiator support. Up top, if you look, you also have another magnetic dust filter. Also nice. Can fit up to, well, if you took these front cages out, you could probably fit a 400 mil rad in there. That'd be nice. You could technically fit 2 radiators, one here, one on the other side, but you might run into some problems in the basement with the PSU mounting. If we come back here, you can just see it comes with a crappy, cheap fan. You've got your stuff for the vertical mount bracket. You got your PCIe lane covers. You've got these little grommets on the outside to help with water cooling, depending upon how you mount some stuff. But overall, that's primarily it on this side. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy back on. Kind of. Let's grab these extremely long screws. Let's come to the other side. Let's flip this around. Oh, what a horrible noise. I'm so sorry. Let's open the back up so we can see how it looks. So you just got your nice side panel here. It's plain. which is fine. I never understood why people want to show off cable management. Not my thing. It's all good if that's you though. I mean, just not my thing. Okay, now this bad boy. Oh, that's interesting. So it's actually got another screw reinforcement other than the captive thumb screws. You actually have to take a Phillips head off the case. That's very interesting. Let's go. Get that out. It should pop right off here in a second. It's gonna suck. Okay, now it'll just go pop. Nope, there's two Phillips. We're on a mission of discovery together, guys. So that obviously it's a huge case, and this is actually my first super tower. It's kind of cool. It's a little intimidating. There we go. And here it is. We have room for another 3.5-inch drive. This one also has the ability to be used for a smaller drive, like a 2.5-inch, something like an SSD. Same thing up here. You have your typical cable routing, got some extra grommets. I mean, overall, this case is magnificent. You have so much room. The PSU mount, if you look back here, is vertical as well, so you have room for your radiators. So, I mean, that's about it. I mean, you're looking at a super tower. What you see is what you get. And when you're looking at this type of thing, you just have to be thinking about size, because size, you gotta have more room for radiators. More radiators, the cooler everything's overall gonna be, depending upon your ambient temperature. But yeah, so in the next part of this, we're gonna discuss some of the stuff I've got to put inside of it.